Is a Gold IRA the smartest move for your 457b retirement savings? Planning for retirement means protecting what you've already built. With markets staying unpredictable and inflation reducing purchasing power, many savers are asking a key question: is a Gold IRA the smartest move for your 457b retirement savings? A Gold IRA rollover from a 457b can add stability by diversifying beyond stocks and bonds. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that lets you own physical precious metals like gold and silver. These metals are stored in IRS-approved vaults and managed by a qualified custodian. Unlike paper assets, gold is tangible and has held value over time. Why consider a 457b to Gold IRA rollover? Many retirees use gold as protection rather than growth. Key reasons include inflation protection. Gold often holds value when prices rise. Diversification. Gold moves differently than stocks, reducing overall risk. Economic stability. Gold can perform well during recessions and market downturns. Tangible asset. Physical gold doesn't depend on corporate or digital systems. How the rollover works. A direct rollover helps avoid taxes and penalties. Choose an IRS-approved Gold IRA custodian. Open a self-directed Gold IRA. Request a direct rollover from your 457b. Select IRS-approved gold or other metals. Metals are stored securely in an approved depository. Pros and cons to know. Benefits: preserves value over the long term. Low correlation with stock markets. Adds balance to retirement portfolios. Drawbacks: no dividends or interest. Storage and custodian fees. Not ideal as a 100% allocation. Is it the right choice for you? A Gold IRA works best for investors seeking long-term security and balance, especially those nearing retirement. Most experts suggest allocating a portion, not all, of your savings. So, is a Gold IRA the smartest move for your 457b retirement savings? For many, the answer is yes, when used as part of a diversified strategy. A 457b to Gold IRA rollover can help protect your retirement from inflation and market risk while adding peace of mind for the future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.